Join me for a walking tour of Chinatown. Just arrived on the subway from Siloam. And tonight we're just going to be exploring the area, seeing what there is to see. Looks like they have a night market. It's definitely more lively than it was last time I was here, which is very encouraging. This is Friday night in Bangkok. One of the best places to come for street food right here. That's why it's so popular. The tuk-tuks even come through here as well. Very interesting. We're almost to the main road. It goes through Chinatown. It is packed tonight. And it's still only 9 o'clock, so it's just going to get busier throughout the night. Smells really good throughout here as well. Okay, now we're getting to the main road. This is the area you've probably seen in pictures on Instagram and such. Start walking this way. So they've got street markets on both the left and the right hand side, and it is packed tonight, which is pretty nice. Good to see. Cut over here, try to not get hit by any cars. Bangkok is definitely coming alive again. I remember about a year and a half ago, this place was totally dead. There's nobody around during the pandemic. And now it's coming back to life, big time. Looking for some good street food to eat. I know they have pretty good pad thai up here, but I'd like to try something a little bit more exotic tonight. Whoa. Easy now. This place looks pretty popular. Not sure what they're cooking here, but there's a long line of people waiting to get in. for whatever reason. Must be really good food. Oh. Man. It's gonna be pretty difficult to find any place to eat around here that's not packed full of people. Completely different situation now than it was about a year ago. Lots of tourists coming back. Look at that. There's one restaurant up here that I really like, but it's probably going to be a super long line tonight. They have really good soup. I'm not sure if it's on this side or the other side. But I'm getting pretty hungry now. See what we can find. Oh, I just smelled durian. Disgusting smell, but apparently it's supposed to be pretty good. I've never tried it. Okay, we're getting towards the end of the Chinatown walking street. Got some live music here. Here's a restaurant where they actually serve shark fin, which is definitely not something I'm going to be trying. After this, I think I'm going to cross the other side of the street and show you the other side. Because this is pretty much the end of the Chinatown walking street. And then of course, here's the iconic shot of Chinatown right here. That's definitely going to be the cover photo for this YouTube video. I actually just walked through this alley over here. But it doesn't look like there's anything much going on down there. So let's just walk back the direction we came. Not too many Chinese people in Thailand these days because their country's still closed, as far as I know. Definitely got to get some pictures of this while I'm here. See if we can find something good to eat without a really long line. This place looks popular, but I don't want to wait in line. There's the durians I was smelling earlier. Ugh. I must admit, I really haven't missed Bangkok. I prefer living on the island. Much less busy than here. And that's a good thing in many ways. But it's fun to visit every once in a while. It's a lively city. Here they're selling like marijuana drinks because it's legalized now in Thailand for consumption. You can also cross the street, but there's so much traffic that I don't know. I can cross here. There we go. All right. I just have to hop over this barrier right here. There we go. Lots of street food stalls along here. And obviously packed full of people. Not really finding anything that I want to eat though, surprisingly. God. It's a total gong show now. See if I can cross the street again. This taxi is stopped right in front of me. I believe this is the alley I came down earlier. Let's keep going this way. It's just a sea of people on one side and the other. God, Thailand's definitely coming back, baby. Maybe I can find something over here without too long of a line. I've already passed by many, many places. Just need to pick one. Probably stop this video when I finally find something to eat. Still looking. Let's cross the street again. God damn. It's not really fun with all these people here. But it is what it is. I don't know what they're serving here. It's like some kind of sweet Thai dessert. This guy's cooking up something here. Looks pretty good. Again, a long line of people waiting to get food, which I don't want to wait in. Let's zoom out a little bit so you can get a better view. Chinatown on a Friday night is getting pretty crazy. Let's check this out. Traffic jam. I think that's squid, yeah, grilled squid. No, thank you. Pass. My God. Honestly, this really wasn't what I was expecting, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Huh.
Where are you going the wrong way?
Still lots of people wearing masks in Bangkok, which is, it is what it is. I almost never wear mine because I just don't feel the need to anymore. It's not mandatory. But I guess a lot of people still think it is. I think there's got to be something down here to eat that I like. Like a pad thai or something not too ridiculous. I don't know. I don't know. They probably have pad krapao here. Looks like it. I think that's pad krapao. Ah, it's so tough. There's literally food everywhere, but it's something that I really want to eat too much. Better just to take in the sights and sounds. Definitely an interesting place for sure. Lots of tuk-tuks lined up across the street, waiting for people to pick up. I think I'm just gonna cross over here. Now I can get past all the people. Easy. Oh, this is the restaurant that I like a lot, right here. This is great. They have really good soup. And doesn't look like too long of a line tonight, so I think I'm just gonna stop in here to get something to eat. Finally found it. Oh, here's the line. Still have to wait in line, but not too bad. This place is usually really popular, so I'll just get something to eat here. Thanks so much for watching. Signing off. Take care, stay safe.